हे ड्रीमर्स, वेलकम टू अवर चैनल। और आज हम बात करने जा रहे हैं अर्थ इन द सोलर सिस्टम क्लास 6 जियोग्राफी चैप्टर 1। तो सबसे पहले व्हाट इज़ द सेलेस्टियल बॉडीज। सेलेस्टियल बॉडीज इज अ हेवनली बॉडीज एंड दे आर ऑल प्रेजेंट इन अ यूनिवर्स लाइक मैटर, एनर्जी एंड स्पेस। In our solar system, we call star, moon, planet, and any other matter is called the celestial bodies. और वो कुछ इस तरह से दिखती है। What is astronomy and who is the father of astronomy? Astronomy is a branch of science which deal with the sun, moon and planet. जो टेलीस्कोप जैसी चीज़ों रखते हैं और साइंस की एक ब्रांच है। एंड निकोलस कोपर्निकस is the father of astronomy. Now we see about what is star. Star is a big and hot bodies. They also call the celestial bodies, and star made up of gas. They has oven heat and light, and they emit in large amount of heat. We call sun is one of the star, and we see sun in a day. Then what is twinkling and why do star is twinkle? Light is passing from different layer of atmosphere and varying density, then go to human eyes. That effect called twinkling. ये ऐसा हुआ जब भी स्टार देखते हैं हम, देयर इज़ अ मैनी डिफरेंट लेयर ऑफ एटमॉस्फेयर से उसकी रोशनी गुजरते हुए हमारे पास आती है एंड हम कुछ उसको इस तरह से देख सकते हैं एंड दैट इफेक्ट कॉल्ड ट्विंकलिंग. Now we say about constellation. Constellation is the group of star and imaginary shape of star. We know about Saptarushi and other 12 zodiac. They are all called constellation. Now who is the polar star and North Star polarized, and we also call it Dhruvno Taro. They also use for determine the direction. You see the Saptarushi called Ursa Moja, and first two this called North Star and polarized, and they don't change his direction because he is a pole side to the earth. Now we call solar system. What is a solar system? Solar system has a sun, 8 planet and asteroid belt, comet and many things are there. Also satellite of solar system. You can see the image of the solar system. You can push here and see all the objects. Now you can see this, the sun, 8 planets, satellite and other celestial bodies are make the solar system. Planet. Now we see this planet. We have 8 planets called Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. Then Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune and ninth Pluto. Now this is not the planet and it is decided by International Observatory Union. You can remember the name of all the planets with my very efficient mother just serve us nuts. Now there is a first letter is a any planet's first letter. You can remember easily this thing. All the 8 planets of the solar system move around the sun as a fixed path, and this path called elongated, and that is called orbit. एंड ऑल्सो वी कॉल ऑर्बिट. आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर इमेज है, सभी अपनी ऑर्बिट में ही घूमते हैं, सभी प्लेनेट सन के आसपास. नाउ वी सी द मर्क्यूरी. मर्क्यूरी इज द स्मॉलेस्ट एंड इनर मोस्ट प्लेनेट इन द सोलर सिस्टम. इट्स ऑर्बिट अराउंड द सन टेक्स 87.97 day, means 88 day, and the shortest of all the planet in the solar system. Okay. Second is a Venus. Venus is the second planet from the solar system, and it also called the Earth twin because size and shape are very much similar to that of Earth. And Venus orbit around the sun is 224.7 Earth day with a rotation period of 243 Earth day. It's take longer to rotate about its axis than other planet in the solar system. He has an orbit around the sun 2 to 4.7 day Earth day and a rotation period in his own axis is 243 Earth day. Now the Earth. Earth is the third planet from the sun and the only astronomical object known to herbal life. You can know about the Earth is only object which has a life. Condition is favorable to support life and probably found only on the Earth. The Earth is neither too hot nor too cold. It has water and air, which are very essential for survival, and the air has a life supporting gas like oxygen. Because of this reason, the Earth is the unique planet in the solar system. From the outer space, the Earth appears blue because its two-thirds surface is covered by water. आप यहाँ पर देख सकते हैं. It is therefore called blue planet. Now you can see Earth's shape. Fifth largest planet and slightly flattened at the pole. You can see describe the shape is geoid. Geoid means Earth-like shape. यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हैं नॉर्थ पोल से हम अर्थ को देखते हैं तो कुछ इस तरह से दिखती है, और जब भी हम इक्वेटर से देखते हैं तो स्लाइड इस तरह से दिखती है. दिस इज कॉल्ड जियोइड शेप एंड अर्थ लाइक शेप. आप देख सकते हैं कुछ इस तरह से. यू कैन see the equatorial diameter and polar diameter. There is a difference between them. This is called the geoid shape. Moon is the only one natural satellite of the Earth, and diameter is 1/4 of the Earth, and appearance so big because it's too near to the Earth, and you see the kilometers from us. Compare the distance of the Earth from the Sun and that the Moon. Moon moves around the Earth 27 days and take exactly the same time to complete one spin. As a result, only one side of Moon is visible to us. On the Earth, the Moon does not have condition favorable for life, and there has many mountains, plains, and other thing. Now we see the full moon night called Purnima, and when moon is fully, and new moon night calls अमावस्या, and when moon is dark. यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हैं फुल मून नाइट कुछ इस तरह से है एंड न्यू मून नाइट कॉल अमावस्या कुछ इस तरह से है. उसके बाद है मून ऑर्बिट. आप देख सकते हैं अर्थ के कुछ इस तरह से वो सर्कल है जो ऑर्बिट है. अर्थ के आसपास घूमता है मून. एपोगी मीन्स सबसे दूर और पेरिगी मीन्स सबसे नज़दीक अर्थ से कब होता है. एंड डिस्टेंस बिटवीन टू, यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हैं पेरिगी एंड एपोगी दोनों में कितना अंतर है. सबसे जब दूर होता है तब इतना छोटा दिखता है और नज़दीक होता है तब इतना बड़ा दिखता है. 12% सिमिलर. देन मार्स इज अ मंगल. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun and second smallest planet in the solar system, being only larger than Mercury, also called as a red planet because iron oxide found there. And There are also called the terrestrial planet and thin atmosphere. Now, what is the terrestrial planet? You can see Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. They all are terrestrial planet. They have a crust, mantle, and core. They made by a crust and mantle. Okay, solid portion is more than atmospheric air, and then now we see about asteroid. Numerous tiny body which also move around the sun found between the Mars and Jupiter that called asteroid. यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हैं sun, this is Mars and this is Jupiter. There is several teeny bodies that call asteroid belt. Now you can see Jovian planet which are the after the asteroid belt. Then this is the Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. They all are made by gases, and you can see here molecular hydrogen, metallic hydrogen, hydrogen, helium, methane gas, and mantle. There is a less mantle, and there is a core is a rock and ice. You can see the core is a very small. Other than they made of gases. These two planets are made of gases, and these two planets are made of ice. Now, what is the International Astronomical Union? This is the international branch of astronomer, and that is the define the name of celestial bodies and headquarter Paris in France. Now we see about meteoroids, the smallest piece of rock which move around the sun that called meteoroids. यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हैं, यहाँ पर above the earth orbit that's called meteoroids. Then they come in the earth orbit that called meteor, and then falling down the earth that called meteorite. Remember this name. This is sometime asking in question, and we also the confusion. But the above the atmosphere called meteoroids, in atmosphere meteor, and surface that called meteorite. Nebula, cloud of gas and dust found between group of star. यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हैं कुछ इस तरह से होते हैं नेबुला. एंड न्यू स्टार born here. Cosmic year, the duration of time required for the sun to orbit once around the center of the Milky Way galaxy. आप देख सकते हैं कुछ इस तरह से Milky Way galaxy and sun rotate this 240 किमी पर सेकंड. सोलर सिस्टम होली रोटेट दिस, एंड हमको 26,100 लाइट ईयर लग जाते हैं यहाँ पर रोटेट करने में. तो आप समझ सकते हैं कितनी बड़ी है गैलेक्सी. एंड यू कैन सी गैलेक्सी एंड यूनिवर्स. then the earth is in the solar system is a galaxy in the galaxy, and galaxy is in the universe. Now you have any question, then go to the comment section and comment it. और यहाँ पर कुछ इमेज है आप देख सकते हैं. सन, देन मार्स, वीनस, अर्थ, Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. There is the terrestrial planet, then asteroid belt, and this is called the Tyr. Then Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune, all are Jovian planet. And then the Pluto, it's called dwarf planet. We have found then capillary belt, and this is the comet. This is like the comet. And after the capillary belt, Oort cloud is found there. You can also search in a Wikipedia more detail, but in a class 6 geography this is enough, I think. Thank you for watching and subscribe our channel.